All right, we'll check this out. He says this little blue building is just about ready to go. So let's go take a look, see what's going on here. Yeah, this building's shot. I have a lot of shot buildings around here. And it's dark. Does the light still work? I can't find the light switch. Okay. Yeah. He's still got a bunch of junk in here. All right, let's go take a look at the other one. This is one my daughter bought. She left it out here and then she moved out. It is sort of like storage. It's just a little building, but it's insulated. It's just not finished out. I might figure out something to do with this. All right, let's go look at his new one. Okay, so he's moving in here. I think he's already moved in. Oh, and he's locked it up. All right, so I guess we ain't gonna get to see in it until he gets home. But yeah, I don't think you can see. He's put curtains up too. Wow. All right, I ain't gonna mess with this one then. Well, crap. I need a bilge pump. That rain has been blowing steady, hard against the front of my shop. And I've got a stream all the way from one side of the shop all the way to the other. Not too worried about it. It's concrete floor. I've got stuff up off the floor that shouldn't get wet. Had to move some stuff. It's starting to let up, but yeah, I'm gonna have to come up with a way to seal the front again. This is the worst I've seen it happen in here. But like I said, it's a concrete floor, and the stuff that's getting wet is plastic, or I had to move the cardboard. But yeah, it's just a thing. Thanks for watching. All right, it's the next day. I think he left it unlocked because my grandson came over and he should be in here playing the game. So let's go see. What do you think? He's still not finished in this area. Something about tile, I don't know. This is
vital signs stabilizing.
This is my son's setup. What you playing? Got something running on the wall over here. That's our internet.
30 seconds.
Oh, I didn't know he had that. I might have to swipe that. All right, well, this is where he's at. So I'll show you.
Systems online. Running full
3D printer.
and outputting results to databank.
Primo. Cold drinks. A lot of VHS. Here, some of them are worth some money. Don't know. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. So the internet dish used to be hooked there, and it points to that tower up there. So one of my previous episodes, we trenched, and you can see a little conduit under there, and we trenched the conduit over, and he put the internet dish up here on the pergola now. So that's how we're getting internet. All right, well, let's just see what's going on out here. The little blue building, he's got a little bit more to move out of there, and it's gone, which ain't gonna bother me a bit. That'll spread things out a little bit. Thanks for watching.